Hi. I'm here to talk to you about women's group ideas, how to start a Women Help Women for Support and Empowerment group. Have you thought about starting a women's group? Maybe you stop yourself because you don't know where to begin or have some idea but can't seem to find the time to organize the group. It does take some time to organize the group, though not as much as you may think, and the benefits all the women in the group receive are significant. Women seem to naturally come together to share everyday activities. Life is easier when you can shop, exercise or share a problem with a friend. So creating a group around a specific topic feeds us emotionally. We have different relationships in our lives, all of which are important, yet it's the women in our lives who add silly laughter, endless hours of conversation, caring for us when we are ill, and a loving ear when we are hurting. Are you more relaxed with your women friends? We started our women's group 11 years ago with the vision that women know how to naturally brainstorm and help each other problem solve. We meet once a month over dinner and the hostess picks a topic for the evening, usually around self-help. In the past, we've had psychic readings and massages too. After 11 years, we have a special bond with each other. When you first start a group, it may seem a bit awkward. The excitement is there yet you haven't bonded as a group. Over time, the group creates itself and the power of gathering together impacts each one of you individually. Why would you want to start a group? There are many reasons why women gather. In the old days, women formed quilting bees, where they talked and shared the sewing together. It's all about sharing. So what would you like to share with other women? To jumpstart your thinking, here are some ideas that women are interested in. Parents gather together who have similar-aged children. Women want to become financially savvy so they start investment clubs. Spiritual circles, sharing a spiritual lifestyle together. Women at work, professional women creating mastermind groups to move them forward in their careers. 5. Working mums. Mums don't have to be alone in finding solutions to the challenges of working and creating a satisfying home life. 6. Community-oriented, helping impact the communities we live in. 7. Building a stronger family, helping each other brainstorm on how to create a loving and caring family. 8. Cultural, plan outings to different cultural events, and more. Society has changed significantly. For women in the past, we were part of a large, strong and extended family network. For some of us that may still be true. For many of us, our families reside in different places nowadays. So our women connections fill in the gaps. Each one of us can build stronger lives on the strength of our connections with other women. Why not gather in one room, each member bringing their unique selves to share with others, so all of us can grow and build stronger lives? In today's busy world, we need to find a place that is there for us, and building a community of women adds a lot of value to your life. To start your own women's group, I would like to recommend you check out the essentials for starting a women's group. Learn how to build a strong, positive, and supporting group ever. Want more details? Click the link below this video, where you see the published or description box today. Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.